How to make your home safer. 9 home safety tips. You might think your home is safe until an unexpected event makes you question its security. While this list of tips isn't exhaustive, it covers crucial areas to ensure your home is as secure as possible. Follow these easy home safety tips to enhance your home's safety and enjoy peace of mind. 1. Install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Ensure that smoke detectors are installed in every bedroom, outside each sleeping area, and on every level of your home. Carbon monoxide detectors should also be placed near sleeping areas. These devices are crucial for alerting you to dangerous conditions and can significantly improve home safety. 2. Test alarms regularly. Make a habit of testing your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors monthly. Replace the batteries at least once a year or as recommended by the manufacturer. Regular maintenance ensures these alarms are always ready to protect your family. The National Fire Protection Association offers additional tips on maintaining these vital devices. 3. Create a fire escape plan. Develop and practice a fire escape plan with all family members. Everyone should know how to exit each room quickly and safely. Practice regularly so that everyone feels confident and prepared in case of an emergency. For guidance on creating a fire escape plan, visit the U.S. Fire Administration's website. 4. Keep fire extinguishers accessible. Place fire extinguishers in key areas of the home, such as the kitchen and garage. Learn how to use them effectively and ensure they are easily accessible in an emergency. 5. Secure heavy furniture and appliances. Anchor heavy furniture, bookshelves, and appliances to walls to prevent tipping, especially if you have young children. This simple step can prevent injuries and accidents. 6. Install and use deadbolts. Use deadbolt locks on all exterior doors to enhance security. Ensure all windows and doors are properly secured when you're away. Deadbolts provide an extra layer of protection against break-ins. 7. Reinforce door and window frames. Strengthen door and window frames with additional locks or security bars. This added reinforcement makes it more difficult for intruders to break in. 8. Keep outdoor lighting well maintained. Install motion sensor lights around entryways and dark areas of your property. These lights deter intruders and improve visibility around your home. 9. Trim trees and shrubs. Keep trees and shrubs well trimmed to eliminate hiding spots for burglars and maintain clear visibility around your home. This simple landscaping task can significantly improve your home's security.